Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making our 3D creature tail bookmarks. You can get your activity sheet at the North Asheville Library circulation desk in the year of summer 2021. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the things that we'll need today is a pair of scissors for cutting out your template, a paper clip or other pointy object for scoring the lines. You can also use a ballpoint pen that's run out of ink or any pointy object that is going to make a mark but not cut your paper. And you're going to need a ruler and a template. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out our template. So what I usually like to do is I like to make a rough cut around the template. And then I go in and I very carefully on the solid line make my cuts. I'm going to cut on all of the solid lines. All right, be careful at this point because the solid line goes up to here and then makes a turn. There's these tiny little tabs to hold it together. And we're going to go all the way to that point. All right, and right here, you're going to want to cut halfway through this, just on the solid line, and stop when you get to the dotted line. All right, so we have our template all cut out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our pointy object. I've taken my paper clip and I've sanded down the edges slightly so that it's not sharp. And then we're going to take our straight edge and we're going to line it up perfectly with our lines here. It helps to be back just slightly from the line so that your instrument is actually touching the line and not just your ruler. So we're going to go ahead and score all of these lines all around. So what we're really doing is we're just making an indentation over the line. And this will weaken the paper in that spot so that it's easy to bend it later. All right, after you're done, make sure that you've scored every line by running your finger across it and see if you feel a little indentation. After you're done scoring all of your dotted lines, now you're going to fold it. If you look carefully, you'll see that some of the lines have dashes, and some of the lines have dashes, then a dot, then a dash, then a dot, then a dash. This indicates the different ways to fold it. So on just the dashed lines, we're going to fold it away from us, and that's called a mountain fold. And then on the ones with the dot and the dash, we're going to fold that towards us, and that's called a valley fold. So we're going to go around and we're going to pre-full bend all of our dotted lines. All right, now that we've finished pre-folding all of our lines, it's time to assemble it. So we'll get some tape, some clear tape, and we're going to tape it on the outside of our bend. So we're just going to go through and match each of the lines up like this. On your scrap of paper, you'll notice that there is a guide. So if you're unsure which edge connects with which edge, you can look at this guide and you'll see number 11 matches with number 11, number 12 with 12, and so on. So now we'll take it and we're just gonna put some tape and match that edge as straight as we can and just fold it over. Small pieces of tape work best. I just noticed here that this line in the diagram is marked wrong. That one should be a valley fold and not a mountain fold. Sorry about that. With this one edge, it may be better to tape it on the inside. We're going to fold these tabs on the inside and just tape over them. And there we have it, our finished dragon or dinosaur tail bookmark. And then just take a book, your favorite book, and slide it in. All right, thanks everyone for joining the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you guys at the library real soon. Thanks again, bye.